Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to share location on Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have Google Maps open, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Now, let's get to the fun part, sharing your location. To share your location, tap on the blue dot that shows your current location. If you don't see the blue dot, make sure your location services are turned on. When you tap on the blue dot, a menu will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see an option called Share Your Location. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a screen that lets you choose how long you want to share your location for. You can choose to share for a specific duration, like 1 hour, or until you turn it off. Select the duration that works best for you. After that, you can choose who you want to share your location with. You can select from your contacts or share a link via your favorite messaging app. Once you've picked who you want to share your location with, just tap Share. The people you've selected will get a notification or a link to view your location in real time. And that's it. You've successfully shared your location using Google Maps. This is a great way to stay connected and make meeting up with others super easy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.